Welcome to our video on improving employee engagement and retention. In today's competitive business environment, keeping your employees engaged and satisfied is crucial for retaining top talent. Throughout this video, we will explore the significance of employee engagement and its direct impact on retention rates. You'll gain insights into various strategies and best practices to create a more engaging workplace. By the end, you'll understand how to foster a positive workplace culture that retains employees and boosts their satisfaction and productivity. So let's dive in and begin our journey toward a more engaged and committed workforce. Many organizations struggle with keeping their employees engaged. It's a common yet critical issue that impacts the workplace profoundly. One prevalent obstacle is the lack of motivation among employees, often stemming from a disconnect between individual roles and the company's broader vision. Another major challenge is poor communication. Without clear channels, misunderstandings and inefficiencies create a fragmented work environment. Lastly, limited growth opportunities significantly dampen employee morale. When staff feel their paths are stagnant, their enthusiasm wanes, and turnover rates increase. Recognizing these pain points is the first critical step in addressing them. In the coming segments, we will explore strategies that can transform these challenges into opportunities for growth and improvement. Let's delve into how a real-life company faced similar issues and the steps they took to create a more engaging and satisfying workplace. Let's take a closer look at XYZ Corp, a company that faced significant employee engagement challenges. Initially, they struggled with low morale and dissatisfaction among their workforce, impacting both productivity and retention. Recognizing the need for change, XYZ Corp set clear goals to foster a more engaging and satisfying workplace. Their primary objective was to create an environment where employees felt valued, motivated, and connected to their work. As we delve deeper, we'll see how XYZ Corp tackled these challenges head-on, transforming their corporate culture along the way. To tackle these challenges, XYZ Corp implemented several targeted strategies aimed at enhancing employee engagement. First, they improved communication channels, providing clear, consistent, and transparent information. This two-way communication approach allowed for feedback and fostered a sense of belonging. Next, XYZ Corp invested in growth opportunities by establishing comprehensive training programs, funding further education, and promoting skill development. This boosted morale and empowered employees to take on new responsibilities, knowing their career growth was a priority. Recognizing achievements was another crucial strategy. They developed a robust recognition program to celebrate both small and significant accomplishments, making employees feel valued and reinforcing their commitment to the organization. These strategies collectively created a supportive and dynamic work environment. Enhanced communication broke down barriers, growth opportunities nurtured talent, and recognizing achievements inspired employees further. As we move forward, you'll see how these efforts laid the foundation for a positive, inclusive workplace culture. Stay tuned to discover how creating an inclusive environment and promoting work-life balance can further amplify employee engagement. Building a positive workplace culture isn't just a strategy, it's a necessity for any thriving organization. At XYZ Corp, this culture began with a commitment to inclusivity. They celebrated diversity and made everyone feel valued and respected, laying the foundation for greater collaboration across all departments. Teams began to work together more effectively, sharing ideas and achieving common goals. Understanding the importance of work-life balance, they introduced flexible working hours and wellness programs. Employees could pursue their professional goals while still enjoying personal time and recharging. By combining these elements, XYZ Corp not only improved engagement, but also created a workspace where employees felt genuinely happy and motivated. As we move forward, you'll see that measuring the impact of these changes is crucial to sustaining long-term success. Stay tuned to learn how XYZ Corp tracked their progress and refined their approach. To ensure continuous improvement, XYZ Corp regularly measures engagement and retention through three essential methods: employee surveys, retention metrics, and feedback loops. Employee surveys provide valuable insights into workforce sentiments and areas for improvement. Retention metrics help track how well the company is doing in keeping top talent over time. Finally, feedback loops create a continuous cycle of input and adaptation, ensuring that employee concerns are promptly addressed and improvements are made. As we move forward, you'll see how these methods contribute to a thriving and engaged workplace, setting the stage for positive change at XYZ Corp and beyond. The results were remarkable. XYZ Corp saw improved engagement scores, higher retention rates, and positive employee feedback. Engagement scores rose by 30%, indicating a significant increase in morale and involvement. Retention rates also dramatically improved, with turnover decreasing by 25%, showing that employees were more committed to staying. But the numbers tell only part of the story. Employee feedback was overwhelmingly positive. One employee shared, "I feel more valued and heard, and it's refreshing to work in such a supportive environment." Another remarked, "The changes have made a huge difference. I actually look forward to coming to work now." These testimonials highlight the real impact of the strategies implemented. The transformation at XYZ Corp was not just about the numbers. It was about creating a workplace where employees felt engaged, appreciated, and motivated. As we conclude our journey through XYZ Corp's experience, their success serves as a testament to the power of strategic employee engagement and retention efforts. Their story proves that with the right approach, any organization can foster a highly engaged and dedicated workforce. Stay tuned as we wrap up with actionable steps you can take to transform your organization. In conclusion, improving employee engagement and retention requires a strategic approach. Throughout this video, we've explored key strategies such as enhancing communication, providing growth opportunities, recognizing achievements, and fostering a positive workplace culture. These steps address common challenges faced by many organizations and create a more engaged and satisfied workforce. XYZ Corp's results demonstrate that significant improvements in engagement and retention are within reach with the right measures. Now it's your turn to put these strategies into practice. Start by assessing your current situation, identifying areas for improvement, and implementing the techniques we've discussed. Remember, the journey to better employee engagement is ongoing. Stay committed to regularly measuring your progress and adapting as needed. For more in-depth resources and personalized guidance, visit our website or reach out to us directly. Together, we can build thriving workplaces where employees are motivated, valued, and eager to stay. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to supporting you in your efforts to enhance employee engagement and retention.